Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a simple obstacle to your Godot 2D game. First, let's create a new scene. Click Scene, New Scene, then choose Static Body 2D as the root node. Rename it to Obstacle. Add a Sprite 2D node as a child and assign any texture you want, maybe spikes or a rock. Then add a collision shape 2D node and give it a shape that matches your obstacle. This will allow the player to collide with the obstacle. Save this scene as obstacle.tscn. Now open your main game scene, the one with your player. Drag the obstacle TSCN into the scene. Place it somewhere in the level where the player can touch it. Great, the obstacle is now in the world. Next, we want the player to die when touching the obstacle. We'll detect collisions using the physics process function. Add this code to your player script. You can find this code under video description. Now go back to the obstacle scene. Select the root node, go to the Node tab, Groups. Add a new group called Obstacle. This lets the player recognize it as deadly. Create a new scene with a control node. Add a label that says Game Over. Save it as gameover.tscn. Now when the player touches the obstacle, the game will switch to this screen. Let's add dead animation for character. Drag dead animation sprite sheet into Godot file system. Then from animation sprite 2D, add new animation called dead. Click Load Atlas button and set horizontal and vertical value. Next, select all frames, click Add Frames. I will put link to character assets in description. You also can watch my previous tutorial about how to add Atlas animation and set up character. Now let's test again. After touch the spike, player play dead animation and game over. Thank you for watching and see you next time.